So there is this show called Breathe that is come on Amazon Prime that stars Abhishek Bachchan and Nitya Menon, and oh my god, if there's any show that will give you goosebumps, it is this one. I mean, basically it's about a couple whose child goes missing. I mean, the child is kidnapped, and then the person who's kidnapped the child has this very weird set of demands. So um, I mean, honestly, I'll be very honest here. At certain places during while watching the show, um, you need to give your logic a break, because it's like the ransom note or whatever comes to this couple almost like, I think, 5 months after the child has been abducted. So, and in those 5 months the kid has been looked after in luxury, right down to having a kind of a nanny or a nurse or something like that. So it's I mean, that's what I mean. What I feel is, as a script writer, one has to take care of these certain, when it moves too far from reality, it becomes difficult to digest as an audience. But overall, like, the production quality, everything is awesome. Yeah, so try and catch it, people. It's called Breathe Into the Shadows, and it will really give you goosebumps. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.